brand new series, #AFits. What's #AFits, you ask? In this new series, we're gonna order Amazon outfits, review them, and at the end of the video, you're always gonna be able to check out the lookbook. This is our very first AFit. I am gonna show you guys how to get the makeup look as well, but don't forget that the link is in the description below. So first we're gonna go into Comfort Zone. We're using the Jaclyn Hill palette. And this is just gonna warm up the crease. Now we're gonna go into Homebody with a smaller brush, and we're just gonna go in the upper crease where we're gonna cut it. And we're just gonna define that. And now that we laid that color down, we are just going to blend a little bit with our fluffier brush, just to take away any harsh edges, mostly out here to soften the wing part. Now we're just going to go ahead and cut the crease with some concealer and a flat brush. And now we're going to use the NYX Epic Ink Liner, and we're going to make a huge wing. Okay, so now that we have the basis of that done, we're going to go in with G Money and a really tiny brush, and we're just going to go over the crease line that we have here. So I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush with Comfort Zone, and I am really going to smoke out my lower lash line. Then I'm going to go in with a tinier brush and go into G Money, and I'm just going to kind of swipe that underneath the wing. Alright, then you guys are done. We're just going to throw on some mascara and eyelashes. There we have it. That is the finished look. So now we can jump back into the outfit. Alright, so for my next outfit, I kind of want a beige neutral theme. So I'm thinking a beige bodysuit. Let's see. I always turn on the Amazon Prime because I want it quickly. I like this one, nude, cute. I'll get that in a small, add to my cart. I'm thinking probably a fedora hat because I want to wear my new wig. So let's check this out. Ew. I like this one because it has a flat top and it's black, so you could wear it with anything. So we'll add that to cart. And then, let's see, I'm thinking black fedora, black wig, beige. I have some pants, probably a necklace. How about a snake chain necklace? Let's see. $8.80, good deal. Good stars. Amazon Prime. Awesome. So we got our outfit, but something that I also want to add is I'm going to get my boyfriend an outfit too. So for him, I'm thinking probably the same fedora, so I don't have to order one of those again. But I want like a black acid t-shirt for men. So we're going to go through, check that out. Let's see. Perfect. Oh, don't have a size. Oh, here we go. Medium for him. Amazon Prime, 12 bucks. This is why I love Amazon, because right now nothing is open. And my lord, I've tried to shop at Target, but it's not the business. Alright, so I got him a black acid t-shirt. And then I got myself, well, we're both going to wear the fedora, myself a snake chain choker, and then my beige top. I'm probably going to wear pants that I already have. So in total for all of that, we only spent 53 bucks. So we went ahead and ordered those products. Make sure you stay tuned because next week I will be opening them on camera with you, let you know my first impressions, what I think about the material, and then we're gonna do the lookbook. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you buy the 8Fit, don't forget to tag me at Rina Danielle with 2 E's and hashtag 8Fit so that way I can repost you on my Insta. Now let's take a look at the lookbook.